Hi everybody, it's Diane from California Tea and Herbal, and I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to show you how to make at home your favorite, well, one of mine anyway, one of yours I hope, iced drinks, which is Thai iced tea. And we're going to do such a simple version that you will make it much more often, because we don't have to add spices, we don't have to do anything but use either spicy chai or rooibos chai, and I'm going to link both of those in the description. Or any chai you may have on hand at home, you can substitute that for the usual recipes where they add these spices to black tea. It's just so much simpler, and it's so delicious. So what we want to do is start out with 8 ounces of chilled chai, and you make that by steeping a good heaping tablespoon of loose chai, or if you use bags, I'm trying to switch you over because it's just so much better an experience and so much tastier. So if you're using bags, I'd put in a couple of bags or 1 tablespoon of loose chai and steep that in 8 ounces of water and then chill it thoroughly. One of the few times that I don't just pour the hot infusion over ice. And this one you want to chill it because it's going to be very strong. Then you're going to take 2 things that really make this a Thai iced tea. And I'll show you what those are in just a moment. But once this is chilled, or just before you chill it, take a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add it to the chai. Now I'm going to go get those 2 ingredients that really make it Thai iced tea. Alright, depending on how sweet and how creamy you like your Thai tea, use 1.5 to 2 ounces each of coconut milk and sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk. And you will combine these, and I'm going to combine them in this nice big measuring cup. I need plenty of room so that I can really whip them up together, because you want them combined. So there's my really thick sweetened condensed milk, and here comes my coconut milk. Now you want to just, if you have a whisk, go ahead and use that. I'm just going to use my big tablespoon today. And then you want to thoroughly, very thoroughly mix these 2 together. And when they are thoroughly combined, we go to the very last step. So easy. Let me go get the final step. Okay everybody, this is where it starts to get very delicious. We take this chilled 8 ounces of chai with the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and we pour this over about 2/3 full of ice, a 16 to 20 ounce glass or goblet. And you can see that is just beautiful. And now we take this mixture of the coconut milk and the sweetened condensed milk, and this is how it becomes this scrumptious drink known as Thai iced tea. To me, a Thai iced tea is one of life's little pleasures. I think I have some there on the corner of my mouth. And I'm going to stir this because I like to get all the flavors, and remember the recipes in the description. Oh, that's so good. You don't even have to eat Thai food to love this. And I promised my husband the rest of it. So that's it for now. I'm sure I have asked you before, but I'll say it again. Please subscribe, please like, please tell your friends about our station if they are interested in tea, or if they already love and know a lot about tea. I think it's still fun. So thanks for your time. We enjoy doing these, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.